In today's video, we're going to look at sorting with VBA. So of course, everybody knows how you can sort a list or a table, any number of rows. But to do this through VBA, you need a couple tricks. So let's take a look at this code. So the first thing is we want to find the last row in this data. That's important because if we add more rows to this data, we don't just want to sort the first 91 rows or 90 rows with a header. We want to make sure we sort any new rows that have been put in. So the first thing we want to do is find the last row. I'm doing this through the Excel up function. There's a bunch of different ways to do this, but essentially imagine if I went all the way to the bottom and then I put Control and then the up key, and it would find the last row of data. One important thing is this one's pretty easy. It's got an ID number in the column A, so it should always be there. But if you have data, maybe this is, let's take a look. Maybe this is insert this. Maybe this doesn't always have the name or the nationality of the person in it. So you want to make sure that you're looking in a column that always has data in it. The next thing we're going to do, this is just clearing the clipboard for something that was being earlier done. So it's really not relevant for this. Then we're going to clear any sorting that exists now across the entire worksheet. And then we're going to sort. And in this top example, we're going to sort by column B. And we're going to go from column B, row 2 to the last row, also in column B. That's what we're going to sort by. But we're going to sort it for the entire set of data here, which goes from column A to column F. And you can see I'm starting in F1 on this example. And I'm going to use header as Excel yes. So this can be Excel yes, Excel no, or Excel guess. And I'll show you in a second Excel guess and why we should not use that. Match case false, orientation, top to bottom. This is pretty standard. Sort by pin Y in, pretty standard, and then applying it. So if I run this code, you'll see that this will now sort by column B. So F5 and run it. That's now sorted by column B, sorted from the top to the bottom, including the header. Now, if I don't put the header in there, and I rerun this, you see the header disappeared, and the header's actually at the bottom of the data now. So we don't want that. So let's put the header back up there. And then we can go on to the next example. You can sort by any number of fields. You can do this, n number of times, as many times as you want. So in this second example, I want to sort by column A and then by column C. I'm still going to be sorting this time A2 to the end in column F. But here I've got Excel guess, but I'm going to change this to Excel no. So there is no header. We're just sorting for column 2. So the header is not part of this equation. And then again, it goes all the way to the bottom. So and you can see that's now sorted. American is the first nationality, and that goes down to British, Columbian, etc. And then by the female first and then male second. So that is sorting by that. Now you can also change the orientation of these. So if we go across, so this is ascending. I could do this by descending. So if I change this to descending, and then I rerun this, this is now descending order. So Swedish is at the top, and then it's female, male. With these first few, there's only one, so it doesn't matter. But that's also a possibility. You can change that as well. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.